A new year, a new tree. The quiet beginning of bonsai. For bonsai, there is no beginning made of fireworks, no countdown, no loud promises. Bonsai begins with a season of waiting and with a quiet trust in time itself. There are new years that do not need to begin with something big. They only need to begin with something small, done carefully, done beautifully, like a tree being placed again in the right position, like removing what is unnecessary to prepare for a long journey ahead. If you are watching this video on the first day of the new year, we wish you a year of good health and peace, a year of steadiness and enough patience for the things that are growing quietly within you. Perhaps today you do not need a noisy video, just a few minutes to stop, with a tree, to begin the new year in a slower way, but a more certain one, because bonsai does not teach us how to move fast. It teaches us how to go far and how to arrive. Now we invite you to relax within a peaceful garden space, to simply feel and let time pass with the trees. The first day of the new year will pass, just like every year before. But if today you choose to begin a little more slowly, you may find that you will go much farther. Once again, we wish you a new year of happiness, peace, prosperity, and growth. This video is created by Beautiful Bonsai Channel, small spaces for bonsai, and values that need time to mature.